Hello, my name is Rizka Fauzia, 33210087 from class 33 to C108. And now I would like to do the student task for active listening for meeting 9. Part 1. Complete this script. Which culture do you belong to? I was born and raised in America, where my culture was shaped. Is that a multicultural society? Yes, it is. My culture is diverse mix of customs and tradition of various races and ethnicities. How long has your country been practicing this custom? Well, it has a long history, around 10,000 years ago. What custom do you like the most? I like practicing dining etiquette. That's what makes me an American whenever I travel to other countries. What are traditional costumes of men and women in your country? Cowboy hats and boots are American styles, but nowadays jeans and t-shirt are more preferable. Are you comfortable with the traditions and customs of your culture? Of course, I was born with it. How do people greet each other? Well, it depends on the situation. In an informal communication, people just say hi. Have you ever felt drawn to another land? Yes, I'm interested in Indian culture. I wish I can get there someday to attend a typical Indian wedding. Part 2. Listen the story and retell using your own word. And then I would like to retell you about the audio number 2, and it's about Alberto, who has new neighbor and thinks that his life will get more difficult because of them. It's because they are very noisy. Alberto also tells Mimi, who is his friend he lives with, about their new neighbors, who are smelly and noisy. And Mimi tells Alberto to just ignore them. And one day, Alberto finds one of his neighbors in his garden. He is yelling and asks Mimi to call their staff to get rid of the unwelcome neighbor. And the neighbor didn't say anything but gave Alberto and Mimi's head of staff a dirty look. Then he went back into his garden. And this is not enough, because Alberto and Mimi often found one or other or both of their neighbors walking around their own garden. Alberto and Mimi went to their neighbor's garden at night and broke all the flowers. Their neighbors asked Alberto if he did something to their garden, but Alberto didn't say anything but gave his neighbor a dirty look. The neighbor is worried about his owner's response because of the garden. And Alberto didn't know that the neighbors are staff, and Mimi thinks that's why they are so noisy and smelly and stupid. The next day, Alberto and Mimi were actually very friendly with their new neighbors. Alberto and Mimi tried to explain how to make their owner become staff, and explain that they have to understand that the house is their home, not the owner. They have to be clean, make sure the owner give them food whenever they want, sit on newspaper while the owner reading, sleep as much as possible on owner's bed, and try not to bark but to meow instead. But the neighbors just didn't understand, and then Alberto and Mimi just gave up. They think that the neighbors will never understand that dogs have owners and cats have staff. Part 3. Answer the question correctly. Number 1. What did the boy like best about the zoo? And the answer is the porcupines. Number 2. What did the elephant do at the zoo? The answer is the elephant threw dirt on the boy and his father with his trunk. Number 3. What can we infer about the bird show? The answer is the bird flew around and one of them was naughty because he did the things he shouldn't do. Number 4. Where did the boy see the butterflies? And the answer is inside the buildings which made of glass. Number 5. Retell the text with your own word and describe the detail about the zoo. So I would like to retell the story from audio number 3. The conversation talked about a boy who had a conversation with his father before going to sleep, and they talked about the zoo they visited before. And the father asked to the boy what did the boy like the best about the zoo, and the boy said that it was the porcupines, and they also talked about the 2 giraffes who is taller than the father, and then about the elephant who threw dirt on them with his trunk, and they also fed the ducks and watched the bird show. After that, they talked about the butterflies who flew over the little building made from glass before the boys went to sleep. So that is all my student task for active listening for meeting 9. Thank you so much.